Are you currently having the problem with Messenger that you're not able to see active friends? It's not showing for you at all? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to solve this issue. So actually what you're going to do, you're going to close your Messenger app, and instead you're going to go into the Facebook app that is connected to your Facebook Messenger. And now when you're done so, then you should be taken to this page right here. As you can see, now what you're going to do on this page is to locate the three lines. For me, it's in the bottom right corner, but for you, it might be in the top right corner instead, just so you know. But just click on the three lines, because then you should be taken to this page right here. Now what you're going to do on this page is to just simply scroll down in here until you can see where it says help and support, and that is exactly where you need to click. So click on help and support. Now you should be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So what you're going to do now on this page is to just click where it says report a problem. So after you have clicked on help and support, click on report a problem. Now click on report a problem once again, click on include in here. Now what you're going to do on this page, scroll down in here, click on messages. So click on messages. Now you're going to write like this: I am having issues with active friends not showing on my messenger. On my messenger, I need this to be fixed. So this is exactly what you're going to write to them now. I am having issues with active friends not showing on my messenger. I need this to be fixed. And of course, don't forget to click on send in the top right corner as well, so that you actually send this to the support team. They will not reply back to you, just so you know. You will need to wait 1 to 2 days basically for them to see this, and then go back into your Messenger app, and hopefully after that this will be fixed for you. What you can also do, actually, if you want to speed up the process, go into your app store, or if you have an Android, go into your Google Play Store. It's going to be the exact same thing. Search for Messenger in here, scroll down, and then find the update button in here. If you have an update button, click on it, because this can also fix this problem quite fast for you, just so you know. But basically, this is exactly how to do this.